Are you tired of spending money on chemical-free products for your hair and skin? Imagine having a natural, homemade solution that works wonder. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make castor oil at home for hair and skin care. Plus, we will reveal the incredible benefits of castor oil for hair growth and clear glowing skin. Stay tuned. Your beauty routine is about to get a major upgrade. Transfer the castor beans into a fry pan. Take to the heat and begin to roast. Roast them on a medium heat. Stir continuously so that it doesn't get burnt. As I started roasting, I discovered that my fry pan can actually contain all of them, so I added the remaining castor beans to it and continued to roast. And after roasting for some time and they turn brown, remove from the heat and let's proceed to the next step of making our castor oil. And now that we have our castor beans well roasted, I'll be adding some of them to a blender. And after adding some of the castor beans to the blender, I'll be going in with some warm water. The reason why we blend our castor seed with warm water is to prevent the oil from sticking to the blender. And so after adding the warm water, cover and blend smoothly. And after blending and it becomes smooth, transfer into a cheesecloth to squeeze out the juice from it. And after transferring it into the cheesecloth, bring the cheesecloth together and make sure to squeeze out the juice from it as much as you can. And after squeezing out the juice from it, because there are still some juice left in it, I'll rinse it once more in another fresh water. So I'll place the wrapped cheesecloth in the water, squeeze with my hands so that I can get more juice out of it. And next, squeeze vigorously to get everything out from it. Set the chaff aside, then add up the juice together and set aside. And next we continue with the blending of the castor beans. Repeat the same process until we are done blending and squeezing out the juice. And here we have the juice and also the chaff we got from it. We're going to be setting the chaff aside and next proceed with the making of our castor oil with the castor juice. Transfer it into a cooking pot, then take to the heat and begin to cook. Cook for between 40 minutes to 1 hour. And after cooking it for some time and the water has reduced in size, the oil and the curd begins to float on top. So we'll go ahead and turn up the heat. And next we'll be scooping the oil and the curd into another pot. So I'll scoop the oil and the curd gently without touching the water. And here are some of the health benefits of using castor oil for hair. Castor oil helps stimulate hair growth, thickens the hair, it helps in control of dandruff, and also makes the hair soft and shine. Apart from its numerous benefits to the hair, castor oil also helps in skin care. It deeply moisturizes dry skin, thereby hydrating the skin. It helps in acne reduction. It has anti-aging properties and also helps for the treatment of scars. Other benefits include boosting of immune system, wound healing, and many more. And after scooping the oil and the curd gently into another pot, and this is what we got from it, we'll proceed to take to the heat and begin to cook. Cook until the water dries from it completely and the curd turns golden brown. And as you cook, the oil begins to separate from the curd. As you can see, the oil is already on top while the curd is beneath. And here we have our castor oil almost ready. We continue to cook until the curd turns golden brown. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. And after cooking for some time, as you can see, the curd has turned golden brown, which means our castor oil is ready. Turn off the heat and allow to cool down completely. Separate the castor oil from its residue with the help of a strainer. My today's shout out goes to Glory Choma from Asaba. I want to say thank you for loving the recipe. And I also want to say a big thank you to my wonderful family out there. I want to say I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your massive support. If you want me to give you a special shout out in my next video, kindly comment where you are watching me from in my comment section. And after separating the chaff from it, transfer into a collecting container. Then you have your castor oil ready and use for that hair growth and skin care. And please, if you find this very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. Thanks so much for spending your precious time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.